इसमें मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है, मैंने तो फ्यूल का शाम को ही भरा था। मैंने खुद भराया, की गलती है।
ये देखो, इसे कहते हैं रफ्तार। OMG रश्मिकांत सर,
सजनी इतनी रफ्तार से बिना पोल्यूशन बिना परेशानी कैसे?
ये है हमारा इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट ऑक्सेल ऑयल, जो आपकी रफ्तार को और भी तेज बनाएगा। अच्छा, आम गाड़ियों के मुकाबले ज्यादा माइलेज देगा। ये है ऑक्सेल, जो आपकी यात्रा को बनाएगा और भी बेहतर। ऑक्सेल है बेहतर, जो प्रकृति को बनाएगा और भी बेहतर। तो हम वादा करते हैं कि हम प्रकृति को बेहतर बनाने में और भी योगदान देंगे। हम वादा करें कि हम प्रकृति को और भी बेहतर बनाएंगे।
Yes guys, we are going to introduce a product which is alternative to petrol and diesel, Oxen Fuel.
Hello everyone. Considering the increasing pollution in India and across the globe, and with an urge to protect our environment for the generations to come, we are keen to introduce for manufacturing an eco-friendly fuel, which is Oxel fuel, as you could see, which constitutes of 60% of water, 40% of other gases, which is oxane, methane, and natural gas, and 35% of algae, which you will normally see where there is stale water, unused water. So that algae will be further processed and oil will be extracted from that algae. So, and we also, this oxide oil is a substitute for petrol and diesel, and will give you equal mileage compared to petrol and diesel, and it will be provided at an economical rate of 40 rupees per litre. Apart from being an eco-friendly fuel, one of the attractive characteristics of our Oxel oil is that it is produced using fresh water as well as unused or stale water, and further, unlike petrol and diesel, even if this Oxel fuel gets spilled on the road, it is less harmful to the environment. Further, I would and the name of our venture is, can we hear? As you can see, the brand logo of our venture is. So you can check on your WhatsApp also. This is the device normally used in the petrol pump, and we have used the color green. Basically, we want to promote an eco-friendly environment. Further, our venture capitalist would be Tata, and our seed capital and the seed our normal minimum investment would be 10 crores. And our break-even point is 5 years, that is 60 months.
First of all, I'll explain how this Oxel came. OX for oxygen and ALE for algae. The algae oil we are using. Further, I'll explain scalability. Our business is all about natural resources like algae oil, water, including drainage water as well, which are naturally available at different places and different locations all over the world.
As it is naturally available at different locations, we can set up number of factories at different places.
In the first year, we will set up one factory in a rural area, as our setup cost would be minimum and employment will be generated as well in rural areas. After attaining and flexibility in the business, we would set up 2 to 3 factories in different locations as the case may be.
Then moving to, our product is eco-friendly compared to petrol and diesel and CNG, LPG, etc. Having minimum investment, it would be a competitive advantage to our business to expand our business operations at large level.
Now this is the main part, revenue model of Oxel. We will earn revenue from different sections of consumers. Like first of all, the normal consumer using automobiles. Secondly, government. As Oxel is a very much natural product, our cost is minimum. We can produce it at a cheaper cost. So we can even government transport vehicles would be our consumers as well. And secondly, our another section of consumer is garage. As petrol and oils are being used for servicing of vehicles, even this oil can be used over there, and overall we are covering all types of consumers over here.
Then we will expand our business operations through distributors and marketing ad agencies, advertisement agencies to enhance our brand image.
Thus, we would be having high potential in market as compared to other competitors.
So therefore, taking into considerations and account the scale of our operations, we look to forward to recover 3 crore per annum. Now we moving to our strategies to encounter the competition.
The best way to combat competition is by focusing on all the things that our company provides and others do not. In case of tough competition faced by us, we would study larger companies like BPCL, HPCL, all the oil companies, what their strategies are. We would learn from the mistakes of other companies, what they miss during their revenue cycle, and successfully adopt the strategies of our own. Learning from big companies with greater revenue streams and workforces can give us renewed perspective on handling competition. We would start local. The best customer we can build is the one immediately surrounding our small business. We need to learn how to start handling competition in local area before branching out to try and serve others, like distributing our fuel in packets or something.
As they are in a local community, group activity and initiative are the key things that would help us to develop more competitive business strategies. This is one best way to build genuine relationship between from the business, and the word of mouth of advertisement is one of the best effective means of branding the business. Competition is healthy in a business world as it encourages creativity and innovation. You can combat competition by getting to know your competitor and using information about them to our advantages. The key of all of the tips above is to build a strong relationship and communicating effectively with the business owner and customer in our community. We would take a proactive approach or to handling a competition, and our idea can't go wrong.
वाओ, प्रेजेंटेशन इतना अच्छा है तो आम आदमी में इसका क्या रिएक्शन होगा, आइए देखते हैं।
रजनी सर, ऑक्सीजन नहीं यूज किया?
बच्चे बाप को सिखाएंगे, आप भी लेके रफ्तार।